Hi guys, welcome back to a next video. Happy New Year to you all. Big up on yourself, and I hope everyone is having a blessed New Year. And yeah, so guys, I'm in the kitchen. I just cooking what I have. Okay, so this is the title of my video, cooking what I have. I don't eat meat anymore. No farmer meat. Don't eat that anymore. So when I don't have any food that I prepare, like my stew, I have a lot of vegan recipe. Just comment in the comment box and let me know if you want to see me prepare all of those new recipe, because I don't eat any meat no more because of many reasons, and I'm gonna make a few different videos. So comment and tell me if you want to go down that journey with me. So what I'm doing, guys, I have a tin mackerel, the big tin of great tin mackerel, and I have only flour and sweet potato, but the purple one. So one time my mother friend carried me go St. Thomas and me eat and to prepare purple yam, and make I tell her that purple yam tastes really good. It's amazing. I would eat that a million times because the yam tastes good in a still like the sweet potato, but it's shaped like this, like the yellow yam of Jamaica, and it's softer than the yellow yam though. It's soft and it's purple and it tastes really good, guys. So the only thing I have right here is my dumpling, and I have a corn. I have one corn and I just cut it in a tree. But the corn here is white, it's not yellow, but I still use the same way. And I have the purple yam and the dumpling. Now cook what I have. So that's the title for this video, cook what I have. Okay guys, because I don't eat anymore, about 6-7 months now, here I don't eat meat and I feel amazing. I don't feel bloated, I feel great. So that is the next video I'm gonna put out for you guys, why I stop eating meat, and it's really helping me. So guys, if you're having health issue, you need to try it out, because trust me, these meat we're eating, trust me, I have a lot of things going on with them meat there. Alright, so I'm just preparing my tin mackerel now. Cut up my season them, the tomato, my onion, my garlic, my scallion, my thyme, and trust me, my bell peppers them. It's amazing. My family enjoy this meal. Okay guys, now because we're in a foreign, we're not gonna eat with tin mackerel. We're gonna eat with tin mackerel because when we're in Jamaica, we can't say, Patsy, me see one breadfruit on the tree, beg you eat no, or beg you want a banana no. You can't do that, yes, so because not even neighbor here, so then don't even want to tell you good morning. You understand what I'm saying? But nothing like your sweet, nothing like my sweet Jamaica. I love you, Jamaica people. I love you, and nothing like you. Me I tell you, have the experience of foreign. Come here and have the experience are two different things. Remember me I tell us, I have to big up my Jamaican people them, big up my Caribbean people them, because our culture, remember, the best ever. And trust me, me come a foreign and me experience races in a foreign. In a North Carolina never bad, but Colorado is not for me. Not for me, not for my complexion. Me not think so. So guys, that is for a different video. So guys, me prepare my tin mackerel and my ground provision and my dumpling. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. Me cook what me have. And try this, it does last for 30 minutes. Then my grandmother always say, once my dumpling start floating in the pot, it done. So guys, this is what I have. This is what I prepare for my family, and we do enjoy it. Big up on yourself and comment and tell me we wanna have fun or dinner. Big up on yourself, guys. Peace out. God bless and happy New Year's. Hope you enjoy this video. And comment and tell me if you want to see my new vegan recipe that I start to eat, because no meat for me. So big up on yourself.